Hi guys. Good morning, good peoples of the internet. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, plutopassionfruit, and I'm here with another video that y'all did not ask for. Anyways, so today I need you to stand up. Lock in. Twin, lock in. Lock in. Because it's your time. Oh yeah, on my doorstep today, finally got delivered some albums. Today we are doing an Ateez Golden Hour Part 4 signed unboxing, okay? So in a later video that I'm gonna drop, I've already gotten 2 albums so far. We got this one. This one is a Barnes & Noble exclusive. If you want to see what was in it, go ahead and watch the video that will be out later, either this week or later next week, whichever one I want to do. I don't know the schedule yet. I'm just trying to record. I'm trying to do my job. And then we also got the Target exclusive. Now, I'm honestly not sure which version these are. I just know that neither of these are diaries. So one of them's A and one of them's Z. Got this one at Target. This one is the Target exclusive. I wanted this one because my friend got it. And this one is that traditional old-timey type vibe that they had going on. And I really liked it. So I was like, okay, if I want an extra one, I want it to be this one. But now, Hello 82 versions. Okay. These are the Hello 82 versions. We're about to unbox them right here, right now. We got... in this one, there's a diary, and there's also, again, like I said, we have either an A or a Z. Once again, I don't know which one it is. You know, I support the boys. I support the boys, you know? It's really good. So far, my favorite on this album is NASA. I'm really having a hard time with this bop. I'm trying my hardest. But yeah, like I said, favorite song so far is NASA off this album. It's been doing some really good justice. Also, before I do open this, I'm hoping for placements, right? Okay, let's just get a visual. I'm hoping placements is like, you know, give me a signature right here or somewhere. Anyways, I'm not gonna look. Okay, good. They're upside down. Cool. I got a little scared because it's like, okay, the way they were advertising it. It was rendered. I didn't realize it was a rendered version, and then people were posting what theirs looked like, and they just looked like they fell flat. But in person, they're not bad. They're not what was rendered. I feel like they're different colors than what was rendered. I will say that. But they aren't bad. They fall flat in an actual picture, if that makes sense. So I'm once again still not mad. Anyways, so I think for the first one that I'm gonna open, we're gonna start with Diary, just because. Oh, it barely get out. Okay, we rooting for you. We going for these photo cards right here, okay? Or a signature. I forgot. Shoot, these are signed. Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna show y'all first. Is it right side up? Okay. Who do we get? Oh, I don't know. Who is this? Oh my gosh, I just love a good signature. Okay, let's. God, golly day. Ooh, we just love a good. Who is this? Is this Yuno? I think it's Yuno. Can anybody clarify in the comments? I'm reading Yuno. I'm getting Yuno, and that's also my baby. Yeah, this gives Yuno, does it not? Does this not give Yuno? Does this give Yuno? Okay. Also, another thing, if you get these albums, they hard to unbox. Let me tell you one thing about it. 2 things for certain. Easy to go back in. I will say that. Easy to go back in. The way my friend and I struggled each time we got one of these. So this is the additive package for diary version. I call them additives. That's what I call them. But anyways, this is the additive package for diary version. It's got the photo card poster. I'm pretty sure the disc is in here too. I'm pretty sure they also put some photo cards in here, so we'll go through. I mean, I was gonna go through anyways. I am really loving these circles. It's very dystopian-like. I'm loving it. Can't remember which version this is. Ooh, I do like this one. Oh yeah, I do like this one. Like get into this Hongjun. He gives Marvel. It gives a Marvel character. I don't know because I don't watch Marvel movies for real, but it just gives a Marvel character. Like everybody looks so good. Like get into Yuno right here. Like what? Get into these peoples. Wow, they just do such a great job. They do such a great job. Get into this man Yo song. Like, story time. Story time, guys. So this is Yo song. Let's take it to the library, shall we? This makeup on Wooyoung. Yeah, story time. If everybody will flip to page Wooyoung, we have like, oh, this just eats. Like, guys, get into this. Please. Okay, so there was one photo card in there. I'm pretty sure I saw it, but just in case I didn't, who do we get? Hey, that look good. I love these teary eyes. Here's what the back gives. Wait, okay, just in case I haven't been focused this whole time, because I did not have the viewfinder up. Okay, boom. This is what the back gives. It's giving teary-eyed. I can't remember which exclusive version that means it is, but you know, there's a US, there's a Hello 82 version exclusive, Target exclusive version, Barnes & Noble exclusive version, and then you got your regular PC as well. Okay. Of course, the diary is gonna come with the diary book. I guess we can actually do like a real story time now. I'm gonna read a sentence. I lied. I lied. I'm a liar. Of course, it comes with the poster. How are we feeling? I love it. These concepts really just, they do something so good. All right, these discs have also been amazing. Oh, you see that, how that it changed the reflection in the light. We love it. We love a good multifunctional, multi-aesthetic. Anyways, real influencer type ish. We have a sticker. We've got 2 photo cards. Who did we get? Who is this? Hongjoong? Is that Hongjoong? He looks so cute. Photo cards. Who do we get? Who is this? I can't see. Is that San? Okay, San. This look good. My friend and I was joking. We was just like, they said, get something at your camera roll, send it in, and we'll put it on a photo card. They also come with these things. So you've got like this mask cover up, and then it's got like a crossword type thing. You put the mask on and it reveals a phrase. The diary phrase is, they are tempered into something stronger. And then you have another like a fold out poster character something. I don't know. But it eats. Like, I don't know what I want to do with this. Like, it's giving dining room. Dining room table. Yes, that's what I meant to say. Yes. First of all, let's talk about satisfied. Heck yes. Real bad. Now, because this video is starting to get a bit long. Anyways, let's get to this next one. My favorite version. I can't wait to open it. Really got that plastic shrink wrapped. Nothing. Who is it? Hey! I won. You guys don't know how bad I just won. Your friend signed it. Oh, you guys just don't know about, like, I don't even need to open it, do I? Do I need to open it? I don't even think I need to open it right now. Like, do I need to open this? Like, I got what I wanted. Ooh, stand back, lock in. I got what I wanted. Do I need it? Do I need to open it? I do. I gotta look at these visuals again. These visuals. Eatery. Anyways, if you didn't catch it, I got a Wooyoung signature. Yes. Big ups to that. Yes. I'm about to struggle getting this stuff out once again. Real bad. We pulled out a poster. All right, photo book. I love a good photo book, actually. Pulled out the photo card. Let me find a good picture. We're gonna take it to page. Is it gonna be? Yeah, it's gonna be page Yosong. It's gonna be page Yosong to this time. Class, if you'll turn to page Yosong with me, get into this look. Do we have time for one more? We do. There's always time for one more. Ooh, what? Get into these visuals. Okay, every class, if you will turn to page Wooyoung with me. Thank you. Get into these visuals. Go buy an album. Also, like, along with this being my favorite version of the album, I love this disc as well. This blue, these colors go together so well. I love that. We have photo cards. We'll save that for a little second. We have another crossword and cover up. I can't remember which one this one said, but we'll read it right now. When mutual universes. Another poster, another character poster. I love all these looks. This was my favorite. When they was dropping the teasers, get ready for this album. These were my favorite. These were my favorite look. I will say, I wish they kept took out more of the color, like how they promoted, but I mean, still good. It just does what it has to do. Hold on. Now we've got a poster. Yes. And now it's time for photo cards. This one's the teary-eyed. Who did we get? I can't see. Focus, babe. Songkwan? Okay, he's real pouty. Okay, Songkwan, we see you. All right, who's next? Is it? I don't know. Who's next? Is that a sign? It is. Why does he look sad? Am I tripping? He looks sad. But it's okay. He gonna be sad with me. Hey, it's mine now. Oh, I didn't mean to. Okay, I looked. One accident. This one's like the little ID card one. But yes, we got another sign. Yeah. Actually, heck yeah. Yeah. Real bad, real good. Okay. That's all that was there. We did the unboxing. Now what? 2 signed albums. Didn't matter who I got. I love these boys. We got our 2 signed albums. We have 2 more regular albums. We have completed the albums. I only unboxed 2 with y'all, but you know. Maybe the vinyl's next. Maybe the vinyl is next. But we've got all these albums. We've got a great selection of photo cards. We have a great selection of posters. We did good work today. I really won. I got who I wanted. I got another one too. Like, I got my main man. What more can I got my main man on that album that I really love. Great album unboxing. What more can I say? What more can we say?